Welcome to Instant Vocabulary Time with Kitchen Utensils Vocabulary. Teapot. Teapot. White teapots are standard across the country. Apron. Apron. Apron is a piece of clothing that is worn on the front of the body over clothes to keep them from getting dirty. Pasta strainer. Pasta strainer. Use a pasta strainer to strain the pasta. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. I bought a bottle opener yesterday. Gas stove. Gas stove. My mother has a gas stove for cooking. Deep fryer. Deep fryer. Pour oil into deep fryer to a depth of 2 inches. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. The dishwasher is a wonderful invention. Grater. Grater. The grater is made of metal. Jug. Jug. A jug is a type of container commonly used to hold liquids. Jar. Jar. Jars are useful for storing food, from rice to tea bags to cookies. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. You need to buy a pressure cooker. Napkin. He tucked his napkin under his chin. Strainer. Strainer. Use a strainer when you pour the tea. Thanks for watching.